Okay, when we purchased the house, it has this brick looking asphalt shingle with a particle board back. We can see it right here. You can break a little off. You can see how it's not even particle board, it's a kind of a press board. So what we did was we started ripping this off because we knew, we had looked on previously before buying it, and we knew that there was Dutch lap siding underneath. And you can look down through here and you can see how nice and long the boards are and very few knots, really solid. So we let it dry. We have to scrape, caulk all the nail holes and scrape a little bit more, brush it down good, wear a mask, and then prime it and start painting. And you can see how we're taking it back to the original boards. Here you can see when we took the siding off, we exposed some beautiful work up there. So a little TLC, it's going to look great, all multicolored. When they did the siding, the second layer of siding, they put on these extenders and they took off the original molding to accommodate this siding. So what we're doing is when we're ripping this off, we're taking this additional molding off, and then we're putting on new molding here. Okay, so what we did is we cut 3.5 inch, and then we put a 45 chamfer edge on it, and we left some straight here and then dove in. We had seen this on our Victorian house that we were redoing in another area, and nailed it on here with good siding nails that do not split because they have a blunt end on them. And then we had noticed that based on the other window that wasn't covered over, they had ripped off something like this. So then I made these to finish out the look. And then we're doing the same thing on all the corners, the inside corners, the outside corners, with this, what I call an East Lake design look. At least that's how I see it.